In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GetResponse with ThriveCart. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. Integrating GetResponse with ThriveCart is a fantastic way to streamline your marketing efforts and ensure that your customer data flows seamlessly between these two powerful platforms. This integration allows for automatic email marketing, which can save you a significant amount of time and effort. So let me walk you through the steps to get this going. First things first, make sure you have active accounts set up for both GetResponse and ThriveCart. If you're not already a user of either platform, you'll need to sign up for them before we proceed. Once you're logged into both accounts, we can dive into the integration process. Let's head over to your ThriveCart dashboard. When you're there, look for the Account Settings tab. You might find this in the left-hand menu. Click on that, and as the settings page opens, scroll down or look for the Integration section. Don't worry, finding it is easy. Once you've located the integrations, you'll see options for various email marketing services, including GetResponse. Click on the GetResponse icon. This will prompt you for some information needed to connect the two accounts, specifically your API key from GetResponse. Now let's switch over to GetResponse. On your GetResponse dashboard, go to the upper right corner where you'll find your profile settings, often represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on it, and you'll see an option for API. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can generate your API key if you don't already have one. On the API page, look for the option to create a new API key. Go ahead and click that button. You may want to label your API key something recognizable, like ThriveCart integration. This will help you remember what it's used for later. After labeling it, click on the button to generate the key. Once your API key is generated, there will be a code displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy that key. If you need to, use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy it. Don't worry if you can't see it again later. It's only shown once for security reasons. Now, let's head back to ThriveCart, where we were just looking at the integrations. In the GetResponse integration settings, you'll find a place to paste your API key. This is where you'll use the code you just copied. Paste it into the appropriate field and then click the button to connect. ThriveCart will communicate with GetResponse and verify that your API key is valid. If everything checks out, you'll see a confirmation message that the integration was successful. Great job! The next step is to configure how you want your customer data to flow from ThriveCart into GetResponse. Typically, this involves selecting which GetResponse list you want your customers to be added to upon checkout. You may also want to set up tags or segments in GetResponse to better organize your contacts based on their behavior or purchase. To do this, you'll want to go back to ThriveCart and navigate to the product you want to set the integration for. In the Product Settings, find the Integrations tab again and choose GetResponse. Here, you can select the specific list you want your customers' emails to be added to. If you're using tags, add those as well. This is a great way to ensure that you can send targeted emails to your customers based on their purchases. Once you've set everything up, make sure to save your changes. It's important to double-check everything. You want to ensure that the data is correctly flowing where it needs to go. And that's it. You've successfully integrated GetResponse with ThriveCart. From here on out, any customers who make purchases through ThriveCart will automatically have their information sent to your desired list in GetResponse, allowing you to engage them effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!